The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And yet, most businesses are completely unprepared. Leadership gaps, employee fears, and a massive lack of upskilling threaten to slow down AI adoption. Recently, Udemy has released a comprehensive report on GenAI challenges in the workplace, highlighting leadership gaps, employee anxieties, and the urgent need for upskilling. The report is based on a survey of professionals across multiple locations, offering valuable insights into how businesses can successfully navigate the AI-driven future. The numbers speak for themselves. Less than half of employees trust their leaders to navigate the AI transition. If leadership isn't ready, how can organizations compete in an AI-driven world? And it's not just leaders. Employees are deeply anxious. 71% of them are concerned about AI's role at work. 75% fear job loss, and 72% worry about their salaries. Yet, companies aren't even addressing these concerns. Nearly 60% of employees say leadership isn't communicating their AI strategy. This is fueling uncertainty and resistance. This is where the real danger lies. Only 6% of top executives have trained at least a quarter of their workforce on AI. And 64% of leaders themselves say they lack the training to leverage AI effectively. That's not just a gap, it's a crisis. Middle management is stuck in the middle, literally. They report the lowest confidence in leadership, the highest risk exposure, and the greatest need for AI training. And they are the ones who will make or break AI adoption. Not all industries are adapting equally. Tech and finance are moving forward, but retail, manufacturing, and non-profits are falling behind. And smaller companies? They're struggling even more due to limited AI expertise. This is where Thrive Together steps in. As India's first GenAI solutions provider, we are closing the leadership gap, reducing employee anxiety, and automating workflows. The AI revolution is here. Will you lead it or be left behind? Join Thrive Together and let's build India's AI-powered workforce of tomorrow together.